Yeah. Hey everybody, it's Karen.
And Paul. Hello.
With Food and Family. We have Pop in the house.
Hello.
I told you he always comes in time for the food.
I thought you might be cutting up onions, so I got my onion protectors
Got your
on.
onion protectors
Yeah.
on. I needed those earlier. About a tablespoon in. I told you every time the food gets ready, he comes in the door. He's been out here working for a little bit. I am good. How are you? We got us some good chicken tonight.
Back over here.
We can't see you. She's not happy. She don't like to be picked up. So, what do you think about the chicken? Isn't it pretty? You know, it's got
How you doing?
ham, Swiss cheese, and spinach inside it.
Oh my goodness. We'll eat good tonight.
Yes, I don't think either one of us can
Hi,
eat
everybody.
that whole chicken breast. We're going to split one. Hey, sweetie.
Hello.
How about a cheddar roast beef sandwich?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Let's get in here and make you one. Now, I didn't know if you might. Hey, y'all haven't seen him lately. They've been missing you.
I've been hiding. Good to see y'all.
He has been working hard, y'all. I made you two, but I'll start you with one, okay?
Definitely.
What did you bring?
Didn't have but two, but I brought you a couple of squash.
Oh, aren't those beautiful?
Yellow squash out of the garden.
Look at there. Come around here and say hello to everybody. Look at this beautiful squash.
Hello, everybody.
I just took our lasagna out of the oven and Pop Jones just got home from work. So we're ready to eat supper. Are you ready for some lasagna?
I'm always ready for lasagna.
Homemade. I told everybody you loved pasta. I just think it makes them creamier. It creams them up. Well, look who just come in. Hello.
I didn't know you were filming.
Can you smell something good in the...
What in the world is this? It looks good.
Hey everybody, it's Karen.
And Paul. Hello.
With Food and Family. We're getting ready to start dinner. He just got home from work and we've decided we want to make patty melts tonight. Look who come in when food gets ready.
Happy Monday.
Pop will be home after a while and he's sneaking in the door now. He's sneaking in the door now. I thought he'd be a little bit later. You got off early. Can y'all hear her? Okay. She meets him. She just loves it. Our chicken is well on the way of getting cooked. Pop just got home, and I'm sure you're ready for some dinner.
I am.
All right, we have this meat ready. Pop's home. We're ready to eat. We're having taco salad.
All right, good.
Sound good? Did you eat a good lunch? I told on you.
I did.
Okay, I told him you only had an apple pie for lunch yesterday, but you ate a bunch of snacks.
I did.
We're ready to take this casserole out of the oven. You ready to eat? You hungry? I'm
hungry.
All right, I'm gonna let you take it out.
Okay.
It's a heavy pot. For me, may not be for you. It's hot, isn't it?
It's bubbling.
Oh, it's so golden brown. The timer just went off, so I waited on him to take it out. Ooh. I'll get this oven door behind you.
Okay. It's a bubbling. See if I can hold it up without dropping it.
That's so pretty.
It is.
I made us a blackberry cobbler. Ready for some?
Sure.
Oh boy. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. We're making lettuce wraps today and Pop Jones is gonna make them with us. How about that?
Great.
But Pop loves pineapple.
Did I hear you say pineapple?
I did. Looky here what I've made for you.
Oh my goodness.
Can you see those layers in there? Mm-hmm. Now, y'all have probably heard us say this before. Back in our younger days, we were on the CB radio, and his handle was pineapple. I just got dinner out of the oven. Are you hungry?
Yes.
We got pork chops and rice, green beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers out of our garden.
Banana peppers.
Yes. Look who came in. He just got in from work. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
I hope so. I made us
The more I smell, the hungrier I get.
Yeah, I made us a shepherd's pie. But I'll explain a little bit. Like I told them, shepherd's pie is an Irish dish, and it's typically made with lamb. So I made this with ground beef, so it's technically called a cottage pie.
Good.
I have taken the potato wedges and the sandwiches out of the oven. Your timing is impeccable.
What in the world are you cooking?
Potato wedges that I'm going to put Parmesan cheese on, and Parmesan chicken sliders.
Yum, yum.
Yeah. So, he's got perfect timing, doesn't he?
Hi, everybody.
You must smell it from work on your way home.
I smelled it when I opened the garage
Did you
door.
really? So,
Yes.
we're fixing to plate this up. We're ready to eat supper. I pulled all this together. It didn't take long. Y'all were with me through most of it. We have our beautiful corn on the cob. You didn't get to see me cook that. Our stewed squash. We have our hamburger that has onions in it and gravy. Our green lima beans. And I made a pan of cornbread. You ready to eat?
Sure.
Our lemon dessert has sat in the refrigerator today so it could set up real nice. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? See those layers? You ready for some lemon lush?
I love anything lemon.
I know. Isn't it refreshing? Can y'all see that bar? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this. I want a cup of coffee to go with it. Yeah, we made some coffee. We're going to grab us a cup real quick, y'all. Stephanie, have you got that coffee all made and ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that coffee smells wonderful. And it's going to be great with that cranberry.
Just got done making.
Yes. Oh, it's so good and fresh. Let's go back over here.
What happened?
What happened? Where did it go? I mean, at least we've got this one left to try. So I don't know. Mr. Grinch! Dead gum! Look what I found. Thank you. Would you like a piece? All right, we'll cut you some. Thank you guys for watching us. Now, see, Mr. Grinch is a good guy after all. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we hope you enjoy our video today. And please like, share, subscribe, and come back and visit with us again. We enjoy having you in our kitchen. Check out our website, Karen Jones, foodandfamily.com. And you can also order the cookbook through there. Maybe we can get Mr. Grinch to order one. All right. Yes, everything in it is very good. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Merry Christmas.